Hello, my beautiful dreamers, and welcome back to your home for learning. Welcome back to Let's Shuō English. I am so happy you are here. Do you know why? Because today is a hard day for many people. Usually, people start strong. They are excited, but then they get tired. They stop. But you are still here. You clicked this video. That means there is a fire inside you, a fire that wants to grow, a fire that wants to learn. And today, we are going to feed that fire. We are going to talk about motivation. How do you keep going when you are tired? How do you study when it is raining? How do you smile when you want to cry? I have the answer for you today, and I promise it will change how you see your life. Before we start, I need to find my family. Where are you sitting right now? Are you drinking tea in a cafe in Taiwan? Are you on a late-night bus in Brazil? Are you sitting in a sunny park in Australia? Or are you under a warm blanket in Germany? Please tell me in the comments. I read every single one. It makes me feel like I am sitting right next to you. Now, clear your mind. Forget your stress. Forget your to-do list. For the next hour, you are safe here. We are going to learn the secrets of energy. We are going to learn how to never quit. Take a deep breath in. Fill your body with fresh energy and let it out. Let go of the heavy feelings. Are you ready to light the fire? Let's Shuō English. Part 1. The Trap of Feeling. Let's start with a truth, a hard truth. Many people think motivation is a feeling. They wait for it. They say, I will study when I feel like it. I will run when I feel energetic. But here is the secret. Motivation is not a feeling. Motivation is a result. Imagine a campfire. It is cold. You want heat. Do you sit in front of the empty fire pit and say, "Give me heat, and then I will put on the wood"? No, that is silly. The fire will never start. You must put the wood in first. You must light the match first. Action comes first. Feeling comes second. If you wait to feel ready, you will wait forever. The most successful people in the world are not always motivated, but they work anyway. And then, after they start, the motivation comes. So the first lesson is this: do not wait, just start. Part 2. The 5-minute rule. How do we start when we are tired? How do we put the wood on the fire when our arms are heavy? We use a trick. It is called the 5-minute rule. This rule is magic. It tricks your brain. Your brain is lazy. Your brain wants to save energy. When you say, I must study English for 1 hour, your brain says, no, that is too hard. I am tired. And you procrastinate. Procrastinate means to wait until later. But if you say, I will study for only 5 minutes, your brain says, okay, 5 minutes is easy. I can do that. So you start. You open the book. You listen to the video. You read 1 page. And then something amazing happens. After 5 minutes, the fear goes away. You are already working. It is not so bad. So you keep going. 5 minutes becomes 10. 10 becomes 20. You tricked your brain. You started the fire. Let's practice some sentences about this. Listen carefully, then speak. I will try for 5 minutes. Starting is the hardest part. I can do small things. Action creates motivation. Part 3. Your why. The anchor. Action is important, but you also need a map. You need to know where you are going. This is called your why. Imagine a ship in the ocean. The waves are big. The wind is strong. If the ship has no destination, it will float away. It will get lost. You are the ship. Life is the ocean. Your why is the destination. Ask yourself today, why am I learning English? Is it for money? Maybe you want a better job. That is a good why. Is it for love? Maybe your partner speaks English. That is a beautiful why. Is it for freedom? Maybe you want to travel the world. Maybe you want to watch movies without subtitles. That is an exciting why. When you feel tired, do not think about the grammar. Do not think about the vocabulary. Think about the goal. Visualize it. Close your eyes. See yourself speaking fluently. Feel the pride. That feeling is your fuel. Let's practice these sentences. Speak clearly. I know my goal. Your turn. I want a better future. Your turn. I am doing this for me. Your turn. I will not give up. Your turn. Part 4. Environment. Clean space, clear mind. Now, let's look around you. Look at your room. Look at your desk. Is it messy? Are there old papers? Is there a dirty cup? Is your phone beeping? Your environment controls your mind. If your room is messy, your mind is messy. If your room is clean, your mind is clear. Japanese people call this Osoji. It means cleaning to clear the spirit. Before you study, take 1 minute. Put away your phone. Turn off the TV. Clean your table. Get a glass of water. Make your space nice. When you sit down, you will feel ready. You are telling your brain, this is important. This is serious. Also, remove distractions. Your phone is the enemy of motivation. Every time it beeps, you lose focus. Put it in another room or turn it off. Give yourself the gift of silence. Let's practice. Listen and speak. My space is clean. Your turn. I am ready to focus. Your turn. I turn off my phone. Your turn. I respect my time. Your turn. Part 5. The power of rest. This sounds strange, but to be motivated, you must stop working. You must rest. Imagine a battery. If you use your phone all day, the battery dies. It goes to 0%. When the phone is dead, can you use it? No. You must plug it in. You must charge it. You are a battery. You cannot be motivated 24 hours a day. That is impossible. If you try to work too hard, you will burn out. Burn out means to lose all energy and passion. You need sleep. You need water. You need to walk outside. You need to laugh with friends. When you rest, your brain grows. When you sleep, your brain remembers the English words. Rest is not lazy. Rest is part of the work. So be kind to yourself. If you are tired today, that is okay. Take a nap. Tomorrow is a new day. Let's practice sentences about rest. It is okay to rest. Your turn. I listen to my body. Your turn. Sleep helps me learn. Your turn. I am recharging my battery. Your turn. Part 6. Positive self-talk. Now we look inside. We look at the voice in your head. What does your voice say? Does it say, "You are stupid. You are too slow. You will never learn"? This is the inner critic. We all have one. This voice kills motivation. It is like wearing heavy shoes. Every step is hard. You must change the voice. You must become your own best friend. Imagine a small child learning to walk. When the child falls down, do you shout? Do you say, "You are stupid, give up"? No. You say, "It's okay. Get up. You can do it." Be that parent to yourself. When you make a mistake in English, do not be angry. Smile. Say, "I made a mistake. That means I am learning. I am better than yesterday." Change "I have to study" to "I get to study." I get to. I have the opportunity. It is a privilege to learn. Let's practice positive words. Say them with feeling. I am doing my best. Your turn. Mistakes are good. Your turn. I am proud of myself. Your turn. I believe in me. Your turn. Part 7. Small wins. Dopamine. Do not wait for the big victory. Celebrate the small victory. Many students wait until they are fluent to be happy. That takes years. That is too long to wait. You will get sad. You need to celebrate today. Did you learn one new word? Celebrate. Did you listen to this video for 10 minutes? Celebrate. Did you understand a sentence in a movie? Celebrate. When you celebrate, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical. It makes you feel happy. It makes you want to do it again. Success builds motivation. Make a checklist. Check the box when you finish. Seeing the check mark makes you feel good. It proves you are moving forward. Let's practice celebrating. I learned something today. Your turn. Small steps are important. Your turn. I am moving forward. Your turn. Good job, me. Your turn. Part 8. Consistency. The chain. Finally, let's talk about the chain. Imagine a long chain made of metal rings. Every day you study, you add a ring. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. The chain gets longer. The chain gets stronger. If you miss a day, the chain breaks. Do not break the chain. It is better to study for 5 minutes every day than to study for 5 hours only on Sunday. Consistency is the key. Motivation gets you started. Habit keeps you going. If you miss one day, do not worry. Do not quit. Just start again the next day. Never miss 2 days in a row. Let's practice consistency sentences. I study every day. Your turn. I do not break the chain. Your turn. Habits make me strong. Your turn. I show up every day. Your turn. Vocabulary review. We have learned many powerful concepts today. Let's review the key words for your life. I will say the word, I will define it, then you speak it. 1. Motivation. The desire to do things, the fire inside. Say the word, motivation. 2. Discipline. Doing what you must do, even when you don't want to. Say the word, discipline. 3. Procrastinate. Waiting until later, delaying. Say the word, procrastinate. 4. Goal. The target, the thing you want to achieve. Say the word, goal. 5. Distraction. Something that takes your attention away, like a phone. Say the word, distraction. 6. Focus. Paying attention to only one thing. Say the word, focus. 7. Habit. Something you do every day automatically. Say the word, habit. 8. Progress. Moving forward, getting better. Say the word, progress. 9. Failure. Not succeeding, but it is just a lesson. Say the word, failure. 10. Success. Reaching your goal. Say the word, success. Conclusion. My dear friends, my brave students, we are at the end of our lesson. You have the tools now. You know the secrets. Action comes first. Start with 5 minutes. Know your why. Clean your space. Rest your body. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins. Motivation is not magic. Motivation is something you build, like a house, brick by brick. Today, you placed a brick. Tomorrow, place another one. Some days will be hard. Some days will be easy. But keep building. I believe in you. I really do. I see your effort. I see your comments. You are creating a new life for yourself. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me. Go light your fire. Go chase your dream. I am Jia. This is Let's Shuō English. Stay motivated. Stay strong. See you in the next video. Goodbye.